The Hinyao Trap Youth Council, HYC, during the hearing of the Mhrc yesterday, has urged the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, Mhrc, that they would like to proceed with the complaint against George Dakhar, the second officer in charge of Pynursla police station. The Mhrc fixed the second hearing on November 14, where the Commission had directed the HYC Rewar Mingi Circle President Lamprang Khonglam to produce evidence against Dakhar that he, along with 6 others, were assaulted by him on the evening of 24th February at Pynursla police station. HYC President Roy Kupar Sinrem said that the Commission should recommend stringent action against George Dakhar if they are able to prove that he has abused his power by assaulting the local president and its members.
Dihalor kan inquiry report nakaliang kajongi ngilapan pau ya kita ba ka commission kam dei ban priang ya kan inquiry report ban nakaliang kajongi ngim priang bat ngilakar pat ya ka commission ba ka dei ban ya cakmat ya ka kies persya yo George Dakhar. Hadian mengilai keren nakaliang jong lamprang mentan ngulapan pau ko commission ba nakaliang ngajong wa ba ka commission ka dei ban ya cakmat ya kan kam bat lada lap hadian gajing siam migisaki sabut dei ban pensitom yo George Dakhar kat kum ki kendon jakaan.
The Central Puja